polarity, coexisting polarity or coexisting contrast, or contradictory, like the wave medium, the wave particle duality in light technically is considered a paradox, a duality, and ambiguity simultaneously, because paradoxes is based on contradictory polarity, and that's not a duality. That's a contrast. Contrast is based on stark differences. Polarity is when they go polar opposite ends of the stick, end of the spectrum. Duality has to do with rigid distinctions between two phenomena, right? But contrast is just stark difference. So when two things just seem different, contrast. So don't use these terms interchangeably and out of context. And now the juxtaposition
of different controversies, conspiracies, speculations. I can determine, I don't know in that
paradoxes,
sense.
which is paradoxes are ambiguous. But depends on the context, whether it's a noun or a verb or adjective or adverb, pronoun. It's a whole different grammatical subject. So paradoxes is based on contradictory, polarity, coexisting polarity or coexisting contrast, or contradictory, like the wave